I used to want to be a math teacher, and my math teacher quit to go be trades. That's when I decided I don't want to be a math teacher anymore. I went to college for mechanical engineering. It just wasn't for me. I wanted to work with my hands and work with tools. Before I hired in with Stellantis, I was a mechanic for one of the dealerships, and I remember the day I got the call. I was so excited. I actually worked with my friend at the dealership, and I got the call and I hung up and I told him, I'm like, dude, they just called me. He's like, go home, get ready. He wouldn't even let me put in my 2 weeks. I quit that day. As a toolmaker, I'm part of skilled trades. I'm part of maintenance. We maintain the tooling and the carriers and the line. The supervisor comes up and says, we need tailgate tools. Sometimes the engineer will give you prints, so we'll go over, we'll assess it, we'll design a part, we'll make a program, put in the CNC machine. You really have to visualize everything. A machining operation might take 10 different steps. You start with a two-dimensional design into a 3D model, and then you can make your part. My son's interested in the trades, and he took welding class. So we're both really excited about it. I don't know many people that can say they come to work and enjoy their job, and I'm one of them. When I first hired in, it was overwhelming. But as the years went on, you just develop into the person you are. It's been a wonderful career. I couldn't ask for anything more. Trades is life-changing. It's absolutely life-changing.